Volume 2. The Importance of Knowing Who You Are by W. Nicolaj, April 2017. It is important to know who you are. When a person says you are lovely, you may not feel very lovely. The same as when someone calls you evil, not knowing purity themselves, shouts to cast a stone and to hurt and to kill. It is important to know who you are. A person who feels those stones and does not want to perish under their attack, barbaric and destructive, to prove a silent heir and resume a life behind their masks. It is important to know yourself, whether you know your capacities. A person will find terror in themselves if they have far removed it from their thoughts. Remember wholly, and more for good reason, that reason be more joyful than chaos. It is important to know who you are. I am just an artist called Valtari, who attempts to write thoughts in poetry, and is still not understood. Shalom.